Scores of young people aged between 17 and 20 comprise the batch of inaugural graduates at the Bertram College of Public Service. According to President Granger, this is a significant step in the personal careers for the cadets, but more so for the country.
But for the state, it's a leap forward to provide an efficient and accessible public service to all of our citizens. The decision to establish the college was not hasty. It was not whimsical or fanciful. It was calculated and deliberate. It was predicated on the need to develop a professional public service.
President Granger addressing the gathering at the graduation ceremony on Monday morning. He explained that public servants are mandated to be hard workers and must be persons who are educated and equipped enough to deal with the dynamics of their jobs.
You cannot deliver the quality public services this country needs by simply walking off the street one day and calling yourself a public servant the next. This is not to make life difficult for you, but this is to make life better for the public. A professional public service is essential to the efficient delivery of public services, such as public education, public health, public infrastructure, public security, public telecommunications, and of course, the public service itself.
Additionally, public servants in various fields must be able to provide the ministers and permanent secretaries with the product of organized thought and research as they execute their daily tasks. This is essential, says the President, and the training provided at the Bertram College of Public Service would have also touched on this area.
They must bring their experience to bear on the way the ministry is administered. The ministers may change. Here today, gone in 5 years' time, but the public servant remains. That's why we call permanent secretaries. They're not temporary secretaries. So when a minister arrives in the ministry, he has to get the best advice from his permanent secretary and from the core of public servants he finds there.
The Bertram College of Public Service was recently established and provides a one-year cadet program that caters for cadets receiving formal and informal training in 17 areas in preparation for employment in the public service. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.